Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by tuning to standard E and grabbing the 4 basic chords you'll need: M, G, D, C. Once tuned, place fingers for M and strum slowly to hear each note ring. This builds clarity. Then practice switching to G, D, and C, focusing on the common finger anchors to speed transitions. Use a metronome set slow. Keep a steady 4/4 pulse. Make sure to listen for any muted strings. Adjust fretting pressure until chords sound full and even. Now you add the simplified lead riff that gives the song its identity. Play single notes over M shapes, open low E, 2nd fret on A, then 2nd fret on D, and repeat the motif. Once comfortable, layer in light palm muting and emphasize beats 2 and 4 to match the groove. This creates dynamics without complex technique. Then combine riff with chord strums, alternating measures. If timing slips, slow the metronome, break sections into bars, and lock the rhythm before speeding back up. Finish by assembling verse and chorus sections together slowly, playing the riff during verse transitions and full strums for the chorus. This highlights the song's contrast. Once done, work on dynamics, push the chorus slightly louder and play the verse more gently so the melody breathes. If something sounds off, isolate the troublesome bar and play it at 50% speed until the fingerings and timing are consistent. Make sure to check tuning again, and then gradually restore full tempo while keeping clarity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.